Okay, I've been through a lot of these kind of mops, and this is the best one I've used, hands down. I love this thing. It's so intuitive, it's lightweight, it's really simple to use. What do you think, Lulu? As you can see, I have dogs. This cleans up so well. Here, let me see if I can show you. All right, we got a bunch of dirt on the floor. You just press the power button, and there's a bunch of different modes. You use this button to switch through the different modes that you'll see there. So let's... And you can see that line there of, you know, cleaning that it's doing. Look at all this dirt right here. Oh man. And then what's really cool about it, because I'm weird and I want to know for sure that things are really getting picked up, is you can switch it to suction mode. And really, like, it'll do it on its own if you have it in auto and pick up the water. But when you have it on suction mode, you're really giving it a good dry, which is great, because usually when I mop, my dogs like immediately walk on things and it's wet and then it gets dirty again. Another thing I love about it, here, I'll turn it off so you can hear me. Another thing I love about it is it kind of self-propels when you're using it. Really easy to maneuver. This is the dirty water tank. Look at that, crazy. And it's self-cleaning. It comes with a base. You can put it on and it self-cleans. Really cool. Can't say enough good things about this. It helps so much.